Ngerebu Nsoko TV.
Ngetaseni Gia Nsoko TV. Ngebugia tila senge nchao.
Kokolet.
Wanchumo rigereria na gukwandire andonsi asore mbiyamona soko chorigeta seni Gia Nsoko TV se chinse chiga isato kurwasobo gatagati bumucho Nairobi ense ya Kenya obutuko no bwe 20 mutinyino 11 mwaka no ibwechiri bubere 25 nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi aseri bagaria bakombwato syo obutuko bwarero kurwase studio ya kabere gochia kwane kya buna amari ogine chibicha ngogochirara senchirerengia kurwase studio ya kabere twagosabiro oikaransoike obe na intwe kurbono goika omwe Taranyora senchira yobo ikirano haya negati yari nkwariganira cyo botko bwarero
Primani na IBC onye tiyari barusire tallying center to batatu tebeti gochija ikonge
Tuwati kwegena nikiombe kya IEBC bosibo bochorio boke nenkwa na igati aba kichikure nsemo bunge North Mogrango
7 million Kenyans are now registered in SHA.
Muraibwense orure nkwana ya bene asense bosibo mabwe bunge enene neriye Senate
ICA yaiga over 9 days on Wednesday naria chitagasira
Yamati asabire gosirwa gwakana ebili ya nyagitari asomwanchu abo he bunge ya Kitutu Chache South County ya Kisii Karibu sana mwanchumu rigereria wana maya chinsa isato nigoto gochakana roboti rokubwatia okwana hasa magacho yebunge enene hasobo mabo bajumbe na boigo aba senator hase amagacho yebunge rituko lyarero buna emoganeti yakorengana nerichiko ekira omwaka koera sense haria serikali ikiranire asa magendro amo no burai umurai bwense William Ruto niko rituko lyarero arwa enkwana ya sense na koera emeroberio au heyo serikali ya enekiria na buno murikito Frida Kirubago tumanya sorboti rokobwatia Muske Ruto niko bona kwanire sector yoboremi ase hogokeiwa kwirigori rio bwoyo hogokinwa kwirigori usogokina kwirigasa igento bono keirere rigori riendagira gokea
Nengwana yomurai wense iyo yarwegwa asamaga chamanene yebunge lyokumulekera emeroberio yabekirwe elyogotinya ense ya Kenya naboigo amonchirelio ase sector elyokoenekia obokoreri obuya
Story of sacrifice, a story of sweat, a story of progress that has not come easy, a story whose facts are available for all to examine, except perhaps for the cynical who have no facts. Today, the evidence is clear, evidence of promises made and promises kept. In just 3 years, we have built not monuments of words, but foundations of progress.
Kubwatikana nogokonga kubugima nigo yairereta abakenya umwaka bwechiri bubere 2022 gokora okorobekana ekioge kairera serikali gokora amonchirelio anene ase sector yoburimi.
One of the greatest contributors to the high cost of living. Kenyans in 2022 marched with empty sufurias, a stark symbol of frustration and unbearable cost of basic commodities. From the very outset, we made an intentional and strategic decision to subsidize production and not consumption. We understood that lasting relief would not come from temporary subsidies and price controls, but from strengthening the foundations of agriculture had to be the fulcrum of our transformational agenda.
Omurai wense ni gaenekia okwelikia kwa barimi gwetera enchira yekerero elyokoenekia ngonyora bale amorokelio elyogokinia rigesa boigo nigo aenekia okoyeligwa kweligo lirio bwoyo na boigo embusoro.
To organize the sector and improve service delivery, we launched an integrated digital platform to register farmers. In 2022, fewer than 300,000 farmers were on record. Today, over 7.1 million farmers are registered on the Kenya Integrated Agricultural Management Information System, giving us visibility to design scientific targeted interventions and eliminate extortionists, getaway brokers, and drive out cartels and middlemen. This has enabled us to implement the fertilizer subsidy program at scale. To date, over 21 million bags of affordable fertilizer have been distributed, reducing the price by nearly 2/3 and saving farmers Kenya shillings 105 billion so far. This year alone, we delivered 7 million bags of fertilizer and 35 million kilos of certified seed. And next year in 2026, we plan to distribute 12.5 million bags across all the 1,450 wards, ensuring every farmer has access to affordable inputs.
Asensemende nigaenekia ogukina asensemo yobonchereria anene asabanto kurwa chinse chisiko baigekire enibo yabo gwetera okwagacha gw'echikampuni n'abakenya gokonyeka.
Last 36 months, over 300 new businesses, including 500 foreign companies, have registered and set up shop in Kenya, reflecting renewed confidence and improved ease of doing business. Securities Exchange has recorded a powerful resurgence, recognized as one of the best performing emerging markets globally. Since January 2025, investor wealth has grown by over 1 trillion shillings, driven by a broad share price rally that has re-established the Nairobi Securities Exchange as a premier asset class. The NSE is on track for its strongest performance in over a decade, building on last year's remarkable gains. This renewed vibrancy is a clear vote of confidence in Kenya's direction and in the reforms we have undertaken.
Kerubo Frida, Ensoko TV, Nairobi.
Murigeria numurikito Frida Kerubo kurwa samagacho yebunge enene tutigaritase enkwane yoyo muraibwense asense nikobana senkwana ya yeruto aenekire hoko keana kwebirengo bya magori yebintu gweterase oko osangerirwa kwebango asaenekire hoko robya obugima asense ya Kenya nikobana aenekia hoko kea kwa magori yechindagera na bunenchiremo yoko robya obugima boba Kenya chinga kibona serikali ya Kenya kwanza egendrete ko enekia ba Kenya nkomenya bara sobugima obuya bunagotuma nyumurikito Debora Kerubo.
Omurai bwenze litukulia lero nigatwale geikaro imeye bunge nene chingakia kwanira abananchi igoro yobokareria se serikali asenkwana yaye Ruto nigaerera igoro yogo kina kwa magori y'ebintu se birengo ao ekyo kerereto bogima goko ngaso mwaka gwechiri bwibere emeronge ebere nebere asekolende serikali yabekire emeroberio eliogotinia uchumi.
At a time like this in 2022, Kenya was in distress. Inflation had soared almost to double digits. A fuel shortage threatened to paralyze our economy as oil marketers struggled to access dollars. The shilling was in free fall. Foreign reserves had hit historic lows. Debt service consumed more than half of our revenues. Confidence, both local and foreign, had waned. International analysts warned that it was no longer a question of if, but when Kenya would default.
Asenkwana yaye Ruto nigayane kyogo kiana kwebirengo bya magori y'ebintu wetero gusangereria kwebango nonye nabo nigayane kyoko orora bakobogima asense ya Kenya.
Within that context, we acted. We restored fiscal discipline. We eliminated wasteful subsidies. We rationalized public expenditure. We strengthened revenue collection, and placed our economy on a path of recovery and sustainability. Inflation, which stood at 9.6% in 2002, in 2022, has steadily declined to 4.6% as of last month, bringing much needed relief to households.
Boigo nigaene kioko kia kwa maguri yetsindagira bunenchire yamo yo korora byobugima bwa bakenya tinga kibone serikali yagenderete kwenekia abakenya nkomenya baro bugima burubya.
The results are visible in markets and homes. The price of a 2-kilogram packet of flour has fallen from what it was 250 in 2022 to as low as 130 today. For millions of households, this is meaningful daily relief.
Henry Nyamweya nigaru ibirengero libya ya senkwa nayo murai bwense tinga kiamurekero gokonga kubagima tinga kibono konyora kwabo kulinse ikikirire kwirusanania kurwa sogwa kane bango kolengana n'uburai bwa eta
fa gukimagera yake engaki ya Kibaki realized that 75% of Kenyans are languishing under abject poverty. Ekera chiteko gunduago omugako ori akaridiusi tax yegaja 8%. Nkiemineti ekera reduce tax yegaja 8% is to enable every Kenyan paka alimasinani paka anse anonsi asobogima Kenya ngima banyare ko ba able wakane taxi mba effect wakane taxi.
Tuska wasio mwanchumo rigereria sorboti ronde hegatia baraikuru asorongorwa gusi nigo wana barure birengere byabo kubwatekana nenkwana yumura ibwense ya Kenya Omoske William Ruto bakoragwa no chief whip mheshimiwa Silvana Zosoro abego mwakilishi wa basubati kurwase county ya Kisii mheshimiwa Doris Aburi nigo bagokere amagendro asebono basabire habarai bandi na bega bana inchi kura chinsemo kubwata serikali yabono erigo chikonyora amagendro.
Kisii, Migori, Isabenia, and Nakuru, Nyahururu, Karatina, Kisii, Oyugis, Ahero.
Of importance, as Omogusi, Nkeringa, Ntowara into stake ya ito, just development ya Kenya. That is why some of us nturikuwa asebinte ibigo kuanwa.
Magega yomurai wense kurwa enkwana ya Erit kuria rero asamaga ye bunge kubwatikana nense ya Kenya asenkwana yaye eyuamurekera amagenderero asechinsemo ao imeyense igati yabo ensemo ya Kisii bono nigo igati abarai kurwa asenseme yo bakwanire nganeyo oyo bwangoiga gukwanira inganeyo no mubunge o South Mugirango Silvana Zosoro no mo women representative we county ya Kisii Doris Aburi asebonsi bagokeire gitambukiro kyomurai bwense kyogo chekorose chipara asensemo ya Kisii.
Ukwana ira magana mange ukwana iroria ndagira ukwana iroria masomo ukwana iroria health lakini of importance go chaso mugusiege ntakwana kenene kabisa besides oboremi kera na baremi tole mono na kwa negoro expansion of roads no atura chipara chiya chigo chaka kwa expanded before elections chide chigo chaka next week chide chigo chaka next month na end of importance aso mugusi akwa negoro para ya ito ya Kericho ego chabaka Bosongo pari yenyere kabisa ile ngote mono that cover expanded and the process ya chakre na ye kwa mono and ende koru Bosongo ekakonda Chioma Bay enseme yebe expanded kabisa ebe nene
Osoro nigo boigo amentre gukwanira abarimu abwasatebire inse yoborai bwo Omoske Ruto abarimu abange nigo bari kirwe meremo
maete abarimu bonse bachire Kenya bari kiru Kenya kuruense yatongetu koruto nyorete independence is 350,000 bari bonse tubwata Kenya ye asa abarimu 350,000 70,000 ebali kiru ne miaka 3 yoka na Ruto ababande bonse bachire gym inye mungono otemire sana na bari baje SS kuri kubale Why ngora these things about budget allocation. Now ba require the street igoro ya taxes nga sijui finance bill. They should keep quiet baganye binte ibangwe koli kubale.
Arena yonigo omusubati Doris Aburi aira chingakie kyo na gukwanera abaibori kwene kiankorenda bare abana babo chingakie kigabara somotimoko omotambe boigo obwate emeyega emenge.
And on the issue kinanyolira opportunity abana bone gabona bare isiko na basorera abaibori bamintolenda abana baino abantu mbale bamerete chingunchara bakomyoka bacha gutalera abana baito nyomba abantu aba bagotalera abana ba malito na amalito no na marwaire inje tindi bwati bwo bagoteba abantu abe babwenerete bamigwe kabisa basibu mbanyo egere mbagendera kwa abana abobolito egesongo bagoteba castration inu mumanyeti unless torarora mwana buole no bolito omwana obogoleti omwana igogoteba ngabasacha be babwenerete gotigwa abanyina bali bakorera abana babo babatigerete batari gukora igasi barirandire ebabwate mechande mingi sana ase enkwana yo muraibwense eyo anyara ko bagakubwatu karit kuria rero gochia asa abakenya kuruga igasa magacho ebunge nigaenekeria abakenya buna obogima nigo bogochikwororoba naboigo ase aereire merobereri abekire kwene kibuna abakenya ngwesoki bari nakomenya obogima obuya egati yabo nigo akwaneiro moroberi osha asatebira barabire bakanza nigo bagochikonyora obokonyi abaraibano kurwa chinsemo bakwanere ngane iyo ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kuruga iga asa magacho ebunge erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Ono morikito Linet Nyambane kurwa samagacha yo yebunge asokwenekia ngotomanyimura se enchira yobo ikerano yo minto Frida Kiriboto goskabana se county ya Nyamira mwancho morigaria egati yaba kichukura imense mo ebunge ya North Mugirango hase wodi ya Kerenyo ensema ya Nyamira nigo bono besokire na gotebanga nigo batabwati okwegena ne kiombe ekigetendrete obochori ne chimbebe kia IEBC maega yokonganyigwa kwegetue kyokurwase enseme yo gochiase egetuo kenda se bono besokire na komochiga tiabara yabako koboke serikali abo besokia samatuko abwangoiga kugikeria na kwerabuna nigo barachi kubeke mirobero yonsi yokwenekia buno murwandi obo nkubware chikura
Watabanga omweshimiwa speaker yaito Nyabaro ngosiri naigo no ndi yukikawa tenga konyonsi na pengine konyonsi yokoboko tato one kwanyonsi tino koboko na ari torochi gwekere ko riega soa go kwanyonsi ego kwasoa gosaba ba mitolage batike koko chekia no nyembono tigatu no gwekara kari twensi pi oyo kurwe besaru oyo bwato bukaraka bona ebuna mo manyete na ari buna mo maeta abonsbi ayepimba buya nkiyo chikotukutere kura yago komanyete na kiyo chikobaga ari tare 27 nkiyo chikotukutera no totebine nkiyo chikotukutera gosabie kura ba mitolage no tora ngorokia mako
Watsikana nengwana yo Moske Silvana Siosoro Abugoro asegeti ya sere yue kwerera wachakobo kubo karakari asobo chorio bokebore bosio igegati yabaki chikura abakora wano Moske Isaka Tebe baragire bokongu chingwane chiona kweranga mbachikoba maiso korenda chikura cyabo namono aso kwegera mu Rwanda libagosira
ekero konyoro usiora go piokeri ometo ku understanding aizi ya mani goza woman asengente binta gukwa na turikora binta gukwa na musacha obeire bali matakeire tomuire bona egese atakeire ko irumatare bona igatwakanire muna yawe tigabatonya bagochenjeri banya kubwata abantu sora bere mate bugirango na intuga iganto iseinera ne ntomanyetinga ne authority yango sora gototokaga
na intunko linda tore chikulecho fumba paka chini. Kama wanarusha tunarusha, kama wanakuja tunakuja, kama wanalinda tunalinda, kama wanaiba talinje na kwa nayo, kama mbaya
yotu ale ko boringa bali barengere tikuchiwa kole bituruturu yogo sali chikulechi tigabaganye chikura cyakwe umuntu omubui atangazwe
amangana naya umuntu bwata omunene uri serikali buna osoro umanya guteba nga tihali barabwo bayibiri chikura ikirete beimi no gutangazwa kwe candidate yabo yoketigarite obwato manya guteba igago chiku konyosia chikurechi ne okoboko na hende bobwatirane na abarayi bande bali bagoje kurusiko na barima babwate inga baibe chikura gwetera uko maki chiboxi na inde batebo so bago chikushi makeri
bagukwana ekero batara chia bisyo bochone chimbebe chia North Mogrango meye kerenyo na magaya yakogenda goika magacho yomo DCC igo bagendere koraga kiombe kyo asoko nganye taring center kurwekerenyo goche ikonge gento bakweranga mbari no kwegena nga obochori obumbo chigokorwa sinjira yobwasyoku
turatwara imani na IBC onye tiyari barusirie taling center to batatu tebeti gochija ikonge ingi yari kurwira ntobwate eho liga yekerenyo ingi batari kubikira kerenyo ga osekiro monta gocha e center ebwate security sign ingi bakwirira ali konye ngetigire ga sangi security na infrastructure ga kerenyo which is the sub county headquarters
igoro yechikura koiva enjere ibako tena nyabaro na maite bunare kubeka okoboko nuko beka aguntu ntote neinio chikura tatagete twake kura ya nembale rwe banyanga kurwe kengwe tuki yake nguso mbale rukurwali chiende ne taling center chibarwe manye na kinanyora ayone kogwate chibeso kuna komanga mangia jasinyiru chi project chikoko
asense moyo mo DCC honyamira North Simon Osumba nigo aereire ngamba chigotinya uborendie kerekyo bochori elio kwenekinga obwasio kumbo chikobaroro
kwenye hiyo mikakati ni ya kuhakikisha kuwa iko usalama kwenye vile vituo vya kupiga kura siku ya uchaguzi na vile vile pia mahali kura zote zitajumuishwa pamoja, yani tallying center.
Steven Nyari Kembonde, Ensoko TV North Mogrango, county ya Nyamira.
Kura se county ya Nyamira mwanchumo rigaria tokore na se county ya Kisii hase ya matemo kura se kenyoro ke gotoka ensemo ya Gesarara he wadi ya Nyatieko he bunge ya Kitutu Chache South county ya Kisii yasokire na kwa sababu konyi ilikuwa kane bill ya Nyagitari yoyo mwabo homoke umwana mokebu mwaka yomo asereta Joseph Mose huyo sirobo gimabua ya Nyagitari ya KTRH maiga yuko yera nyomba na bono muri Kitubi Cliforenge agotomanya soroboti roko bwatia nigo bono ya mateyo yasokire na gotebona nigo bare no boremerwa no botako bonne hasabona batanyari gwakana bill yo yenchiringi chiribu chimibira sebasabire gokonyo
Nenka yomongina Alice Kwamboka korwa asekenyoro gya Gesarara mwa Musioma location ward ya Nyatieko ensemo yebunge ya Kitutu Chache South county ya Kisii eyo yasokirie elyo gusaba obokonyi bugwakane bill ya Nyagitari yo mwana bo mwaka yomo Nyagosira Joseph Mose oyo oyerete nyomba mwabo tariki 3 omudingo narimo omwaka wa 2025 naiko koirwa ase Nyagitari ya KTRH rekonyoro bogwenia kolenda agasirio bogima bwaye kareme ya ICU
so narenge gas mwinoga iga na marugitare ngoro gas nare gokora ngoira na gocha ngonyore dio kinyomba aba nganyoro mwana ayete ngamwira Nyagitari dispensary tachi kokonyu ngamwira town kero na mwira town akapokewa emergency alafu kama kubekwa ICU so ICU yeyo iga obere 9 days yechiga on Wednesday nalia chitagasira obona karasira ebire kabe yatirire igoro
bago kwana na kwerera na mayanda manene gochia asabarali mambia lero nigo iso mwana amona ngina koro omwana oyo batebire buna enke yo nigetari kwenyara na igoti bakonyara gwakana chibese chyo
so se familia yeiga ntori kwenyara so nabakora mboroko boko andonse asara nyare
nang'ang'anire tari gasimbwate nebiparua tu ani biparua birero nyore mambitonyora mano ubonene tugwetera sasingino nyetubwati giparua iki amukorara njara mumuroja myoka nyore arete turi ninyoke nkonyora turi tukuburwa abo tukurara ngeyo boko mumbaro muroje nyomba muroje nani ule nyumbaro pata chizi baligi ebakorara ono mutakora byomukia mube bono nande nalichikomenda kana mwana gochigoro ati mwari gwanje mutokoni
nogo ichana buna nonye gakanetesha aso mwako magima tebakonyeti gwakana kende gionsi asikari bate batigwe buna sha tari gwakanira barwiri bari bare ICU
on Tuesday ngagenda sha nga report bagantenta kero gwakana ngabasaba singencho nchibwe komanyana ninde no boremeru bankonye nyone metinga kane metienye yuebere bagakana bagantei ngaka no mwako mugima umwaka uyu mugima bambikirete umutienyi kwa kana 850 so nje ngakana 10,200 neba nakanire shayu ase biliari shayu itechieti gosuki kero nachete ngabori umunyagitari gose ngabori bari batenenerete gari ase ngencho nakanire sha 10,000 nakinande bilie yaige gotira iga bagantebie bilie shaye goshughulika montore ward tali ICU bone iyo shaye itenkonye tinaona ndoche na mbosa sengencho aikunisaidia
bono nigo babasabira abarayi n'abasamaria baya bari n'omoyo bwo gwanja basokere ko yesire nke yo gwakana ebili ya shiringi chiribu 200,000
ase familia yeiga ntokonyora bese ekyo so nare gosaba mugambi onde bwensi gosonde bwensi oraigu wetera mariogia yaiga na bakorambora okoboko na bagotokonya asa kwenyara
chenare gosaba abarayi baito bosipi abe MCA women rep abagavana abaseneta asebali gaki mujono takeire barambura okoboko kibararambura okoboko nyasaye itori gornera takubatiga amina
nigo yategera sabarayi n'abasamaria bayagwesokia rego yakonye nkeyo ilinyare ko mwene omwana oyo asobwango ebile yoto nyagotira inkoripoteri ya Soko TV kurogesarara ensemu ya bunge ya kitutu cha South County ya Kisii Ritariane Wycliffe Orenge
Memona murigito Wycliffe Orenge noroboti urasenchira yoboikero mwancho murigera tutegerita se county ya Kisii egekaro kia matukato tobono ekyo kia barentamo habanyagitari abateresa inse kyumbe ya Kenya Progressive Nurses Association KNPA asensemo ya ATC memo chobo songo heri osanga igoro ichinchira chekerero cyo ikirani obochenu nigo bono gikira omwerio itukoria rero kubwatekana no murai w'ikyumbe kyo Michael Nyongesa uyu kwana negata senegi Soko TV asenchira ya bene nigo bono aerera buna niga bateresa abo banyorra maigeria mange ayuare yekerero kubwaterana n'ababwatani au ayora chiko bakonya samatuko alebosio asobokoreri bwabo nigo boigwaruro kuboria gochia setureteria bagavana kwenekia urango ikiranire eira eyo yari yereta bateresa yo gochia kubarika bateresa abo eyibabegete SI omutinyi oeta omwako yego muri kitopetu el machini agotomanya senchira yo bikirano
ababwatani nabiga abanyagitari abateresa insi y'ekyombe ya Kenya Progressive Nurses Association KNPA nigo baikiro mwerio bw'igikaro kya matukatato asensemo ya ATC eyo bayagosanga igoro y'echinchera chekerero cyo gwikiranya bochenu asenseme yo.
Some of the issues we have raised is about the dynamic way healthcare is coming up in terms of embracing digital healthcare as a future for our profession.
Gukwana benene Soko TV maiga yo gukura egikarekyo nigo murayiwe kyombe kyo Michael Nyongesa aereire buna nigo abateresa abo banyorra maigeria mange yekerero kubwaterana n'ababwatani ayora bakonya mutukabosyo asobokerri bwabo.
The members who attended this conference have gone away happy because of the quality of scientific papers we had in this conference. They have also gone away with both soft and hard copy of the abstracts which were presented here. And so we want to thank God for the time we had here, and we want to thank the Kisii team for having organized such a wonderful conference. We have been able to engage our partners in terms of supporting nurses for furthering their education and for attaining more skills and competence and knowledge for them to be equipped for service provision to Kwamboka.
Singa kichicho nigaine kirebuna nige kyombe kyo kerarike abateresa bibigori byonsi eri gusanga birengeryo igoro yo gukinyo bokorri bwabo tambe.
We want to bring everybody on board, the young and the old, because this is where they learn to keep their professional ideals as they serve common wananchi. Because the theory of decay says that if you don't practice, you forget. And being a profession, you must have at least 20 hours every year of continuous medical education. And so both the young and the old require all this. And so we implore to everybody to join KPNA, those who are not members of any, so that we can be able to learn together and maintain the quality of services that we envision as nurses.
Saburi barasa yabagavana wikranira yabaririza abateresa yokuriko ko bateresa bwo yuba etiti mutinyo gatatu mwako yiga.
We urge the COG to implement the career progression guidelines for nurses, which were completed in March this year, without haste.
Reporteria Ensoko TV kuriga ATC Muchibosongo county ya Kisii Chepetuel Machin.
Memano murikito Petuel Machini noroboti rwa senchira yubo ikirano mwanchu murigaria no tuikira omwari asense meiga entangani ya mayakuru Ensoko chinsa isato obotkobwega koiro mutimoko keigo ase studio ya kabere korene ginkwira na asense ya kabere nkora nande nabagani bane ase studio turache ko batugo sangana ko murikere nkwana iyo muraibuense ase ense iyo narakobaga kurwa samagacho yebunge haiga somoche o Nairobi tumurikere nararia ya akwanera aboigo hekirenga nkereki kyogo chia kone kyakero oborai bwaye hase entunde gentangani borigeti kuikira omwere naboigo kero eserikali naboigo ense ya Kenya ganda kuiroberia bosibo kone kya obochorio bano mwaka o 2027 gotoskare kurena torino muroberio yo asegeka igetari getambe.